Hello and welcome to the News on Map World Series section of Drishti IAS. I'm Aisha, and in today's episode we will be covering topics which are important from General Studies Paper 1, that is Geography Map section. So let's begin. And first of all, we will looking at the previous practice question. So I was just going through the comment section. Most of you people has given the correct answer. So let's see the question. Consider the following statements. There are three statements given. First, it is a landlocked region in West Asia. Second, it includes a major part of the Western Dead Sea. And third, it is located between Israel and Jordan. Then, which of the following regions best relates to the above description? West Bank, Gaza Strip, Golan Heights or Sinai Peninsula? See, if we will talk about the landlocked region, so landlocked region is a region which is surrounded with the land from all the sides and does not have a connectivity with the open ocean. So a region which is between Israel on the one hand and Jordan on the other hand, and it is connected to the Dead Sea also, then the region is West Bank. And very clearly this is Israel, this is Jordan, and this is Dead Sea. Located between Israel and Jordan, yes. It includes a major part of the Western Dead Sea, yes. Landlocked region in West Asia, let's see. It is landlocked in nature. This is West Bank. This is the boundary of West Bank. Then yes, it is very clearly it is landlocked in nature. See, it is connecting or it is sharing border with the Dead Sea, but the Dead Sea in itself is landlocked. So West Bank becomes landlocked in nature. So the correct answer becomes option A. Now moving on to the today's session. So the question is, consider the following statements with reference to the Democratic Republic of Congo. Then there are two statements given. First, that DRC, that is the Democratic Republic of Congo, is the largest country in Africa. Second, it accounts for a major share of the world supply of coltan. So coltan is basically a ore which is black in color, which is used to manufacture tantalum capacitors for electronics due to its high charge retention. Which of the above statements is or are correct? Only one, only two, both one and two, neither one nor two. So let us see. So if we, first of all, if we will talk about the African continent of which DRC is a part, that is the Democratic Republic of Congo. Then if we will talk about in the area wise, then the Democratic Republic of Congo, whose capital is Kinshasa, which is situated at the western DRC, but DRC is the second largest country of the Africa. It is not the largest country. The largest country in size is the Algeria. And if we will talk about the DRC, then as of now the African country of DRC and the surrounding region is going through a political instability because of the M23 militia. So one of about 100 armed factions weighing for a foothold in the mineral rich eastern DRC. So DRC, that is the Democratic Republic of Congo, which is very much rich in minerals, and one of that is the coltan, and it is basically present in the eastern DRC, which is this region. Then the M23 militia, which is causing political instability in DRC, is a Rwandan backed group which consists primarily of Tutsis who failed to integrate into the Congolese army. So if we will talk about that DRC is the largest country in Africa, then it is wrong. And second statement is absolutely factual in nature, that it accounts for a major share of the world supply of coltan. Then yes, it is correct. Which is used to manufacture tantalum capacitors. Yes, coltan is used to manufacture tantalum capacitors because it has very high charge retention. It is asking which of the above statements is or are correct. So first is wrong, second is correct. Only one, only two, both one and two, neither one nor two. So the correct answer becomes option B, that is only two. Next question. Which of the following is a member of NATO, that is the North Atlantic Treaty Organization? That is Slovakia, Turkey, Finland or Sweden. Slovakia, Turkey, Finland or Sweden. Select the correct answer using the code given below. 2 only, 1 and 4 only, 2, 3 and 4 only, or 1, 2, 3 and 4. So let us look at the members of the NATO. So if we will talk about the NATO members, then the total number of members in NATO is around 32, and the recent member which has joined NATO is the Sweden, and Finland has joined NATO almost a year ago. And NATO was founded in the year 1949 with the signing of the North Atlantic Treaty or the Washington Treaty. And if we will talk about the headquarters of NATO, it is present in Brussels, Belgium, and NATO works on the principle of collective defense. Collective defense is the principle which is being used in the Russia and Ukraine war. It means that out of the 32 members of NATO, even if one member gets attacked, it means all the NATO countries are going to go after the country which has attacked the member of NATO. So if we will talk about the 4 countries, then yes, Sweden, Finland, Slovakia, and the other country which was Turkey. So all these are members of the NATO. So Slovakia, yes, Turkey, yes, Finland, yes, and Sweden, yes. Select the correct answer using the code given below. So that is 1, 2, 3 and 4. So which code talks about 1, 2, 3 and 4? That is option D. So the correct answer of question 2 becomes option D. Next question. Consider the following statements regarding the Panama Canal. So there are 2 statements given. First, it is an artificial waterway in Panama that connects the Atlantic Ocean to the Indian Ocean. Second statement talks about it provides a route for maritime trade by crossing the Isthmus of Panama. Which of the above statements are not correct? It is asking about the not correct statements. Only 1, only 2, both 1 and 2, neither 1 nor 2. So it is an artificial waterway in Panama that connects the Atlantic Ocean to the Indian Ocean. So this is wrong, because if we talk about Panama, so Panama Canal is present in the country Panama, which is a Latin American country, and the Panama Canal is an artificial waterway, and there are basically 2 artificial waterways. First was the Suez Canal and second is the Panama. And one of the major lakes, that is the freshwater lake, Lake Gatun, which is, you can say, the lifeline of the Lake Panama. And as of now, because of the global warming and the climate change, the water in the Lake Gatun is also drying up, and that is what is causing problem in the Panama Canal. And Panama Canal connects on one side, that is Pacific Ocean, and on the other side, that is Atlantic Ocean. And around 6 to 8% of the world trade passes through the Panama Canal. So it is an artificial waterway in Panama, yes, that connects the Atlantic Ocean to the Indian Ocean. No, Atlantic Ocean to the Pacific Ocean. It provides a route for maritime trade by crossing the Isthmus of Panama. Yes, but the question is asking which of the statements are not correct. So not correct. First is not correct, second is correct. It means only 1. So the correct answer becomes option A, that is only 1. Next question. Which of the following is a member of the Nordic Baltic 8 countries, NB8 countries? So this is one of the topics which majority of the times you must have not heard in the news. So it's a member of the Nordic Baltic 8 countries: Denmark, Finland, Estonia, Latvia, France. Select the correct answer using the code given below. 2 and 3 only, 1, 4 and 5 only, 1, 2, 3 and 4 only, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Let us see Nordic Baltic 8 countries. As the name itself is saying, Nordic countries plus the Baltic countries, and in total there are 8 countries. So these 8 countries belong to the region of the Baltic Sea and the Nordic countries. So the Nordic Baltic 8 countries are a regional cooperation they work on a regional cooperation format, which as of 1992 has brought together 5 Nordic countries and 3 Baltic countries. So 5 Nordic plus 3 Baltic constitutes 8 countries. And this is to discuss important regional and international issues in an informal atmosphere. And the member countries of the Nordic Baltic countries are Finland, Sweden, Norway, Iceland, Denmark, Estonia, Latvia and Lithuania. So Finland, Norway, Sweden, Iceland, then coming to the Baltic countries, Estonia, Latvia and Lithuania. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and one more was Finland, Sweden, Norway, yes, Iceland, yes, Denmark, one more being the Denmark. Then in the year 2000, Nordic Baltic cooperation format was called Nordic Baltic 8 countries. So let's get back to the question. So which of the following is a member of the Nordic Baltic 8 countries? Denmark, yes. Estonia, yes. Latvia, yes. Finland, yes. France, no. So the code which is coming up is 1, 2, 3, 4. Which one is 1, 2, 3, 4? So 1, 2, 3, 4 is 2 and 3, no. 1, 4 and 5, no. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, no. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So option C becomes the right answer. Next question. Consider the following statements with reference to Hormuz Island. Hormuz Island, there are two statements given. This island is located on the east of Kishma Islands. East of Kishma Island. If this is north, this is south, this is west and this is east. So it is saying if Kishma Island is present here, it is situated to the east of Kishma Island. It means this location. And it is rich in red ochre as a resource. This island is currently ruled by Iran. So Hormuz Island is situated at the east of Kishma Island and is ruled by Iran. Which of the above statements is or are correct? Only one, only two, both 1 and 2, neither 1 nor 2. So let us look at it. So if we will talk about the Hormuz Island, then on one side there is United Arab Emirates and at the top of it is the area is by Oman. So that is to the southern side of it, and northern side is Iran, and this is the Strait of Hormuz, and Strait of Hormuz connects the Gulf of Oman with the Persian Gulf, and in the Strait of Hormuz below Iran, that is to the southern side of Iran, is present the Hormuz Island, and Hormuz Island is ruled by Iran. So that becomes correct. And if we talk about that, this is the Kishma Island. So this is Kishma Island, and to the east of the Kishma Island is the Hormuz Island present. Kishma Island is very large in size, while the Hormuz Island as compared to the Kishma Island is smaller in size. So if we talk about the Hormuz Island, then this island is located to the east of the Kishma Island, and then it is rich in red ochre as a source. That is true. And this island is currently ruled by Iran. That is also true. Which of the statements given is or are correct? So that becomes first is correct, second is correct. So the correct answer is option C, that is both 1 and 2. Next question. Consider the following statements with reference to France. There are 3 statements given. First, the Bay of Biscay. The Bay of Biscay is located in the north of France. Second, Belgium, Luxembourg, Germany, Switzerland and Italy are its eastern neighbors. So eastern means this is north, south, west and east. Eastern neighbors. The Corsica Island located in the south of France are separated from each other by the Ligurian Sea. How many of the above statements are correct? That is only 1, only 2, only 3, all of the above. So let's see. Bay of Biscay is located in the north of France. So if we'll talk about France, so France is an European country, one of the major powers of Europe, one of the major GDPs of Europe, and also when we talk about the size of a country, so France is large in size also. And so this is France, capital is Paris. On the north of it, on the south of it, you can say it shares border with the Spain. Western border is North Atlantic Ocean, and then the southern border is with the Mediterranean Sea, and the eastern border is shared with Belgium, Luxembourg, Switzerland and Italy. So Belgium, Luxembourg, Switzerland and Italy. So Belgium, Luxembourg, Germany, Switzerland and Italy are its eastern neighbor. Now this becomes correct. Belgium, Luxembourg, Germany, Switzerland and Italy. Belgium, yes, Germany, Luxembourg, Switzerland and Italy. So this statement becomes correct. First is the Bay of Biscay is located in the north of France. Let's see this. So if we will talk about the Bay of Biscay, so Bay of Biscay is not present in the north of France. It is present in the south west of France. This is Spain and this is France. It is situated to the north of Spain and to the southwest of France, and this is Bay of Biscay, one of the extended part of the Atlantic Ocean. So first statement becomes wrong. Then comes the third statement, and that is the Corsica Island located in the south of France are separated from each other by the Ligurian Sea. Let's see this. So if we will talk about the Ligurian Sea, this is the Ligurian Sea, this is Italy, this is France, and this is the Corsica Island. Now the Corsica Island belongs to France, but it is not situated to the south of France. You can say it is situated to the south of Italy, and Italy and Corsica Island is separated by the Ligurian Sea, not the France and Corsica Island. So the third statement also becomes wrong. So first is wrong, third is wrong, second is correct. How many of the above statements are correct? Second is correct. So only one, only two, only three, all of the above. Correct answer becomes option B, that is only 2. Next question, and it's the practice question, and like always you people will give me the answer in the comment section. So the question reads, consider the following statements with reference to Ukraine. There are 2 statements given. It is located in the western part of Europe. It borders the Mediterranean Sea. Which of the above statements is or are not correct? Which is not correct? Only one, only two, both 1 and 2, neither 1 nor 2. It is located in the western part of Europe. It borders the Mediterranean Sea. Not correct statement. So as I always say, go and look at the map, or you can pick up the atlas and see the map and then give me the answer in the comment section. And that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Till we meet next time, keep reading, keep writing and keep subscribing to the channel. Thank you.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.